this thing on?
Hey, once again, I'm Chris from ServiceChannel.
And I'm Jill.
The Jill and Chris Show.
We're answering some more questions from our customers about asset management with our expert, Leum Fahey. The first two videos are available on LinkedIn, and give us a follow to learn more.
The third and final phase in our ebook is optimization.
This is about putting your asset data to use to improve your facility's performance. So Liam, one common struggle that facilities teams have is with compliance. How can this asset data help with keeping up with these ever-increasing regulations?
Well, Chris, there are a lot of regulations around your assets. For example, in some cases, you may be tracking maintenance on your assets to reduce your energy consumption to improve your sustainability. All of this asset data helps you prove that you are compliant now and allows you to improve your compliance practices over time, reducing risk and strengthening your brand image.
Yeah, I can see how the data could help take some of the pain out of compliance.
Liam, how does asset data impact the way you do preventive maintenance?
Why don't you just tell me what you want to say before we try to say
I was waiting for go. Well, Jill, asset data helps you be more strategic with your limited maintenance budget. You can focus your spend on the problematic assets that cause you downtime, lose revenue, and negatively impact your customer experience.
Right, that really helps you to be more proactive.
Thank you, Liam, for all the advice you've shared in these videos.
Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Jill. I love sharing the knowledge that we've learned from our customers over the years, and I'm happy to have this conversation anytime.
If you think these tips would be useful for your team, just tag them in the comments below.
You can find all three videos here on our LinkedIn page. And you can read the free ebook, Ready, Set, Go, The 3 Phases of Enterprise Asset Management at ServiceChannel.com. There's no form to fill out, so don't be scared.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
I had no idea what was coming next.